We designed a medical decision system. As you see, this is a dashboard of the medical decision system, which basically is a dashboard for patients under inflammatory bowel disease. These are the patients here, and these are the patients for the specific for the today date. As soon as you change the date in the calendar, the patients changes and shows the respective patients. This graph here tells the count of flags for critical patients undergoing inflammatory bowel disease. By that I mean patients undergoing different tests such as iron, urine test. By this you can see the comparison between different patients undergoing maybe same treatment but have different kind of iron levels. This is a pie chart which tells number of patients, a percentage of patients in different MEDL scores. MEDL scores are something given by doctors. This is a complete patient list under that doctor with all the details. When you click on any of these patients, you get to the summary page of all the details of that patient. As you can see, you can see visualization of different charts such as systolic BP, diastolic BP, heart rate. You can also select dates. So when you put a start and an end date through the calendar here, you get a trend between those dates chosen. We see patients' information such as age, gender, status. We also see allergies, and this patient here is green status. We also see medication history. So the status was based on medication history. This is patient chart line of its treatment he has undergone in a time span. This is recent medication the patient has gone and procedures. This is we switch. We can also use the drop down to go to a different patient. Here you see the patient is high risk since the status is red. So the status basically indicates the risk level of that patient. Then we can also go to the decision tree. I think this one is better.
So for the decision tree, here when you click the node, you can see all the links between the node and its destination. And the chart will change when you click the node because each decision would lead to a different charts. And when you go to the link, you can highlight the link to see the relationship between each node. And we have three types of chart. The second one is bubble. And in the bubble chart, you can see all the proportion of the biomarkers and the relationship between them. In case all the data was being made up, it's not the real biomarkers. And the third one is the timeline, and in the timeline you can see the patient's medical history. And that's all.